Here at Drivetech 4x4, we know the important role that tyres play, not just to your off-road ability, but to your safety when touring in remote areas as well. With that in mind, we've developed what we believe is one of the most comprehensive range of products to ensure that your tyres not only give you the grip that you need, but they last longer too. Up first, we have our innovative tyre pressure monitoring system. Solar powered with easy to set up wireless sensors for all 4 tyres. This system can be installed at home in a matter of minutes. Audio and visual alarms for high temperatures, low pressures, as well as fast and slow leak alarms with real-time monitoring ensure that you'll always know your tyres are performing. Upgradable to monitor up to 10 tyres at once with accurate readings from 0 to 87 PSI, the system is capable of monitoring your 4-wheel drive, camper trailer, caravan, and even your spares in the shed. The easily readable LCD display, backup USB charging port, and all-weather design ensures that it'll always be there when you need it. If things do go wrong, the Drivetech 4x4 heavy-duty air compressor packs enough punch to get you back on the tracks quickly and reliably. Pumping out 300 litres a minute at 40 PSI, this compact 12-volt unit is an absolute beast. The 75% duty cycle at 150 PSI max pressure ensures it'll get even the largest tyres back into action. Plus, with added features like 6.5 metres of hose with snap fittings, 2 metre long power cord, and built-in inflator and deflator, it's a breeze to use. It's a winning combination when paired with our easy-to-use, fast-action tyre deflator too. And finally, the last line of defence, our compact tyre puncture repair kit. With 20 plugs and all the hand tools required, as well as a sturdy storage case, it's cheap insurance to stash in the back of your drawers, ready for a rainy day. To pick up a range of tyre repair and maintenance equipment that won't let you down, head to drivetech4x4.com.au to find your nearest dealer.